Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I created this everyday makeup look. And as you can see from my skin, I have uneven skin tone. I have fine lines and wrinkles. I have spots. I have all sorts of issues. So in today's video, I'm going to be using only IT cosmetic products. And just for transparency, yes, I am a brand partner. So I'm going to start with the Your Skin But Better foundation and skincare, and I love this because it's got hyaluronic acid, it's got aloe vera extract, vitamins E and B5. It's very lightweight, and so you can add as little or as much as you like, and I just feel it evens out the complexion and gives it a natural looking glow. Next up is the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, and this stuff goes a long way. You really don't need a lot, you only need a small amount, but I'm going to use my number 7 brush and I'm just going to place it underneath the eye, and I really feel this has brightened up underneath my eyes. If you're looking for a concealer that is water resistant, highly pigmented and has long lasting coverage, then give this a try. So I'm just going to use the excess foundation that was on my brush and just blend it out. But I can already see how much brighter my face looks. I love it. Next up is the Superhero Mascara, which is full of collagen, biotin, proteins and peptides. It helps your lashes to look longer and thicker, and I love that because I really don't have the thickest lashes in the world. It is amazing. I absolutely adore this mascara. Moving on to the Brow Power Eyebrow Pencil, which is super easy to use. Now, I've never been great with doing my brows, but using this makes it super easy and super simple. It comes in 4 universal shades, which work for all hair colors, while the built-in spoolie brush creates a natural looking finish. It applies lovely and it's just so quick and easy to use. So I'm going to do the other one now. And I must admit, I am not great at doing eyebrows, but if I do say so myself, I think that these look pretty good. Next up is the Vitality Cheek Flush, which is full of wonderful ingredients, including plum oil, cherry oil, hyaluronic acid, and it's quite pigmented, so you really don't need to use a lot. It's just a nice way to add some extra color to the cheeks. On my lips, I'm going to be using Pillow Lips Moisture Lipstick in the shade Humble, and this is available in both cream and matte finishes. It glides on smoothly and I love the shade. It's never easy to find a light colored lipstick that works for me, but I think this one works really well. And finally, I'm going to finish off with the Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder. Now, my skin is generally oily to combination, but because I'm menopausal, it's a little bit more dry, but I still need something to control the shine. And I really like to use this powder because it gives my skin a little bit more of an airbrushed look to it. You can apply it throughout the day to touch up your makeup, and it contains peptides, silk, collagen and antioxidants to help improve the look of your skin. So that's it for my IT Cosmetics everyday makeup look. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'll leave a link down below and don't forget to check the products out.